I therefore stand by my decision to decline the request for a vote by secret.
I-ATM ithi ifuna inkantolo lephakeme yaseNtshonalanga Kapa iluchithe luhlelo lwePhalamende lwekuvota eludzabeni lwembiko welithimba lebeliphenya ngeludzaba lwephalaphala.
All of them, they were having guns with them. That's when they started to vandalize and taking people's money and cell phones.
Emaphoyisa asesifundeni saseLimpopo aphume umkhankaso athungatha emadvodza lamane lahlomile ngemuva kwekubulawa kwebantfu labasikati lababili.
We are ready to handle the back-to-back games that will be coming in January.
Iyaqala imidlalo ye-PSL evikini lelitako kulandzela kuphela kwemidlalo yendzebe yemhlaba. Kwaba kuhle kuphindze ngihlangane nawe mbukeli etindzabeni tesiSwati la ku SABC 1 lishonile. Khumbula ke ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala ku YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba. I-ATM ithi ifuna inkantolo lephakeme yaseNtshonalanga Kapa iluchithe luhlelo lwePhalamende lwekuvota eludzabeni lwembiko welithimba lebeliphenya ngeludzaba lwephalaphala. Leli qembu lifake isicelo lesiphutfumako enkantolo kuphikisa letiphumo talokuvota letachitha kwemukelwa kwalombiko.
Ingxelo yesolotya 89 yafumanisa ukuba umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kungafuneka ephendule malunga nebholo lasephalaphala. Amaqela ezopolitiko asepalamente athatha inxaxheba kwingxoxo-mpikiswano amanye exhasa ukwamkelwa kwale ngxelo ngelixa amanye ayengaphesheya. Isimemelelo samanye amaqela ezopolitiko sokuba kuvotwe ekhusini sakhatywa ngusomlomo wePalamente kwavotwa esidlangalaleni.
I therefore stand by my decision to decline the request for a vote by secret.
Le ngxelo ibifuna isininzi ukuze yamkelwe kwaye amalungu e-ANC avota ngobuninzi bawo ukuyikhaba. Yafumana ivoti eziyi-148 eziyixhasayo kuqukwa nezamalungu amahlanu e-ANC kunye neziyi-214 eziyikhabayo emabini amalungu awathi awazokuthatha nxaxheba ekuvoteni.
It would be a travesty of justice if Parliament takes a resolution that the President should not be given an opportunity to clear his name.
Nakuba kunjalo emva kokuthatha inxaxheba kule nkqubo iqela le-ATM lifuna inkundla iyichithe.
Lo mntu kukhalazwa ngaye sefumene imajority eninzi nakwipati yakhe into okokubana makahlale ipresident. Loo nto ithetha into okokubana ayikho into okanye inkxaso abangayifumana kumalungu e-ANC eParlamente.
Ngokweempepha ze-ATM ezithunyelwe ezinkundleni, usomlomo wePalamente kunye nomongameli ngabokuqala nowesibini kufuneka bephendule kulandele onke amaqela ezopolitiko anezikhundla kwi-National Assembly.
Litiko letekuvikela nabomkantshubomvu babomabuyembini limemetele ukuthi ngeke likhone kubamba lesikhathi lebesibekiwe salenyanga sekuthi banikedwe imali. Lokhu kuvela nje nanoma lisekela lemengameli David Mabuza lathi hulumende wenda ngako konke lokusemandleni iqinisekisa ukuthi bayayithola imali yabo. Bekubekwe eceleni imali lebalelwa ku-37 million yamarandi lonyaka kepha labomkantshubomvu angeke basayithola le mali.
Isibhengezo esitsahayo noko kumagqalo omzabalazo sebelezokhuselo namagqalo omzabalazo livakalisa okokuba aluzukwazi ukufikelela kumhla oqingqiweyo kaDisemba wokuthi jwaxe ngezimali lamagqala. Ebutsheni balonyaka usekela mongameli David Mabuza wabhengeza okokuba i-37 million yerandi ebekwe kucala ukuba makufakwe le mali ebantwini. Kodwa usekela mphathiswa wezokhuselo namagqalo omkhosi uThabang Makwetla uthi ngenxa yemeko ezingapha kwamandla lo December akazolenza ixesha.
In the process of the implementation of this decision, we are confronted with unavoidable administrative processes which resulted in the delay in the payment of the pension benefits. One of these was the requirement that the draft pension regulations and the pension benefit access forms should be tabled in Parliament first.
Isebe ke likwamemelele kulamagqalo koba mabuye ngeneno kwizenzo zolwaphulo mthetho kuba efuna ukhwaphila izimali yaseburhulumenteni. Okwangoku ke baza kufumana isiqamala esi-1250 soba mabakwazi uqhubela phambili nobomi.
As people keep on trying to come in, we identify a lot of frauds coming into the systems, and one looks and says, but your age, it can't be that you qualify. When we look at beneficiaries, all countries look at the first generation, and if it is the second generation, it must be that the parents of this grandchild who then became the responsibility and was adopted by the military really became now a proper dependent, and it can be proven.
Kuyabonakala ke ukuba umnqanza uza kunyuka kulamagqalo omkhosi nanjengoko ukwazi ukufumana isiqhambulo sikarhulumente kulo December de abe urhulumente uyazama ukulungisa la masolotya ke kohlala kunjalo ngakulamagqala. Njengabongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC ePitoli.
Solo iyachubeka imbi yetemthetho yekukhishwa ejele kwalona bekangumengameli wakuleli Jacob Zuma. Inkantolo lebuketa emacala ivumelene nesijubo senkantolo lephakeme lesithi bekungekho emthethweni kukhululwa kwaZuma ngeparole yetempilo. Litiko letebulungiswa liyise loludzaba inkantolo yemthetho sisekelo ngenhloso yekubukela eceleni sijubo senkantolo lebuketa emacala.
Inkantolo lebuketa emacala yakhipha isijubo lesithi lona bekangumengameli wakuleli Jacob Zuma kufanele abuyele ejele eScott Correctional Center ayocetha isigwebo sakhe. Lesijubo sasusa inkulumo mbikiswane enkantolo yemthetho sisekelo lapho kwasolwa umsebenzi waCommission wetebulungiswa nebhodi lebuka ukukhishwa kwetiboshwa letigulako ngeparole. Lenkantolo yavakalisa ukukhathazeka ukuthi lona lebekanguCommission wetebulungiswa Arthur Fraser wasebenzisa ipindlela kubuka imibiko yetempilo yalona bekangumengameli waphambilini kuthi amkhulule ejele ngeparole. Advocate Maribola Mpahlelo wetebulungiswa ugcizelele ukuthi kude lokubi lokwendiwa ngibo ngesinqumo sekukhulula Zuma ngeparole yetempilo.
There are two reports, medical reports, that recommended that Mr. Zuma be placed on parole. And the first one is the one of MAPA, and these are the reports of the doctors that has examined Mr. Zuma.
Umeli waZuma Advocate Limpofu uthi isimo setempilo saZuma besimvumela ukuthi akhululwe. Uthi bodokotela lebe bacilonga Zuma batfola ukuthi uphethwe isifo lesingahle sibe nemthelela lomubi empilweni yakhe.
Surely the commissioner can't just wake up and give you medical parole. That I accept. The commissioner has to apply certain criteria and so on. And that's where the relationship is. But one cannot, and I beg the court not to fall into that trap.
Ummeli we-Helen Suzman Foundation Max du Plessis uthe lona lebekanguCommission wetebulungiswa Arthur Fraser uhlulekile ukuchaza ukuthi kuyangani angakanaki izathu letaqhamuka nebhodi yeparole yetempilo.
The board must make a recommendation to the commissioner, as the case may be, on the appropriateness to grant medical parole in accordance with Section 79.
IDA ithi Zuma kufanele ahlole bodokotela labatimele.
The problem with Dr. Martha filling that out is that was supposed to be, in terms of the regulations, an evaluation of Dr. Martha's application by the Correctional Services medic. Yes. And that's not what it is.
Inkantolo lebuketa emacala ithe umthetho bewungamvumeli Fraser ukuthi akhiphe Zuma ngeparole yetempilo ngaphandle kokulandzela imibono yebhodi yeparole yetempilo.
The order of the judgment reads as follows. 1. Paragraphs 5 and 6 of the order of the High Court are set aside. 2. Save for the above, the appeal is dismissed with costs.
Zuma wagwetsha inyanga letilishumi nesihlanu inkantolo yemthetho sisekelo ngemuva kwekwala kuvela ngaphambi kwelikomishana leliphenya ngekubanjwa kwembuso ngabhongwane. Zuma wakhululwa ejele ngemuva kwekudvonsa inyanga letimbili.
Emaphoyisa asesifundeni saseLimpopo aphume umkhankaso atfungatha emadvodza lamane lahlomile ngemuva kwekubulawa kwebantu labasikati lababili lebebahamba ngebhasi celeni kwaseKranskop Toll Plaza emgwaqeni we-N1 eLimpopo. Kuthiwa labasolwa bagibele le bhasi lesuka estation saseBosman ePitoli leya eHarare eZimbabwe. Kuthiwa khona lodubule le bhasi futhi lobeka semotweni lelandzelako.
Ngekusho kwaDaniel Nyarango lobeka gibela. Le bhasi isuka estation saseBosman nasekushaya insimbi ye-12 ebusuku. Nyarango uthi luhambo lwabo belinekuthula ke but indoda evele tashintsha mabacedza kundlula iMathole Way Bridge emgwaqweni N1. Kungulapho lensolaboya beyitenda umgibeli ikhiphe ingane yadubula i-windscreen yebhasi. Yaphocelela umshayeli ukuthi emeceleni kwemgwaqo.
All of them they were having guns with them. That's when they started to vandalize and taking people's money and cell phones.
Nyarango uthi nanoma bonke bagibeli bebenda konke letinsolaboya letikucelako tidubule bamfu labasikati labathathu.
As soon as they entered at the bus, that's when they shot another old lady right here by the left breast. So unfortunately she did pass out same time. She couldn't make it.
Emaphoyisa athi aphenya emacala lamabili ekubulala kutama kubulala kanye nekubamba inkunzi.
Investigations are proceeding. We haven't yet succeeded in arresting anyone, but the manhunt is on.
Njengoba kulinzeleke ukuthi ukhule umthamo wetimoto emgwaqweni, emaphoyisa aseLimpopo athi tenyukile tigameko tekuganga letibikiwe emgwaqweni we-N1 emkhathini wePretoria neMusina.
We have had incidents of crimes happening along the N1 road between Pretoria and Polokwane, as well as between Polokwane North to Beitbridge. But obviously those are some of our focal areas. We will also be concentrating on the malls to make sure that people that are doing shopping do so in a crime-free environment.
Emaphoyisa anxusela nelwati mayelana nalesigameko ukuthi achumane nawo masinyana.
Tingoti temgwaqo letifaka emaloli tivete kukhatsateka kule nhlangano yebashayeli bemaloli kulelive. Bangetuli kwamakhulu lamathathu bantfu lesebashonile emigwaqeni ngenxa yemaloli kulomnyaka. Ithasa kanye nelitiko letemisebenti yemphakatsi netekutfutsa eMpumalanga betfule umkhankaso wetekuphepha eMiddelburg eMpumalanga. Litiko letisebenti kanye letasekhaya libe ingcenye yalo mkhankaso kute uhlola ukuthi kusetshenziswa emaphepha langiwo yini.
Kuphepha emigwaqweni kubalekile kulamaholide njengaloko achubeka kanzi futhi emaloli avame ukukhanza setingotini letinye tibadimbi kakhulu kushone nebantfu kusolwa kukhathala kwenta inzuzo timoto letingakalungeli kuba emgwaqweni tindzaba temisebenti kanye nekuhamba emabanga lamadze ukuthi ngiko lokubanga tingoti.
Ukuthi kungcono ukuthi sibasize ukuthi sibabonise ukuthi impilo yomuntu endleleni ngoba imndeni yethu ingalahleki nokuthi futhi sikwazi ukuthi ama-operators abone ukubaluleka bokuthi uma usebhizinisini asikho isidingo sokuthi umshayeli wakho enze izinto ezingafanelanga.
Kwendiwa lihlolo kanye nekuhambisana nemithetho wakulelive kepha nemigwaqo edzinga kunakwa. Imigwaqo leminingi igcwele tigodi lekuyindvo lenemthelela kuletingoti.
We are going to set aside an amount that is going to concentrate on fixing potholes. Already, as a department, we have bought 4 machines.
Phepha kwebashayeli bemaloli kubalwa njengaloku inkinga. Bahlaselwa labanye babo bathunjwe eKomatiport dude nelibombo neMozambique labasolwa ngikuba bathumbi bafuna imali.
Singahlala yendeka mihla leyo ku for ukuthi siphephe thina sibashayeli. Lamgwaqe nje kube nevisibility leningi yamaphoyisa because uyabona ngalendo leyendeka ngala iborder ukuthi basikidnap abasenda konke. Yeah, nebacashi nje nabo bacomply kahle sebenzisane kube kuhle konke.
Iyachubeka imihlangano yokunciphisa sibalo semaloli emigwaqweni ngemaphesenti ange-20 lokhu kuta ngelihlelo lwemklamo we-Road and Rail lwekuthutha impahla.
Kuletinye umasibuya etitolo kunjinja kwetikhathi sekuvete ukuthi bantfu sebatingenela kutinjingisa bona titokfela. Obukele tindzaba telulwimi lesiswati la ku SABC 1 na usanza ngena siyakwemukela. Titokfel ngumdlalo wekonga lodlalwa abantu labanyenti kule live kanzi sekuya ngekushintsha njengobe labanyenti sebangena kuwo kude batinjingise. Ngaphambilini bekuyindlela yekonga imali ngemacembu kude kuthi bajabule nje, kepha nyalo titokfel setsetjenziselwa ekuqokeleleni timali kude kuthi bantfu baqale emabhizinisi bathenge timpahla nekutfutfukiswa kwemphakatsi.
Bangetulu kwa 11 million bantu bakuleli vele abadlala stokfel kanzi uma sekuhlanganiswa kuloko labakonga ukubalwa emalini lengaba ngo44 billion emarandi. Titokfel tiba macembu ebantu labaneshisakalo yinye lengafana nekuthenga kudla noma etindwo tesikolwa. Kepha labo kulomkhakha wato bathi tindo setiya ngekushintsha njengoba labanye bangenela stokfel kude batinjingise. Istokfel yenza ukudlala stokfel online lapho khona kuba nalabo lababuye kuhamba kwetindwo kanzi ukhipha imali njalo ngenyanga kanzi labanye bathi kule minyaka lesikhombisa lengcile bakhonile konga imali engetulu kwa 200 million emarandi lebe kuyimali levela kumacembu la ngetulu kwetinkulungwane letintathu.
We are enabling this to be more digitized, you know, where a stokvel can say, look, I'm just a grocery stokvel, but I don't mind taking 10% or 30% of our groceries and actually buying some sort of investment that will generate an income. This is one of the things that we are enabling on Stokfella.
The People's Business Stokvel iletha emacembu lahlukene etitokfela kude kuthi ticokelele lokwehlukene kumkhakha lowehlukene nasekuthuthuseni kwemphakatsi.
Can we now, as the new generation, can we take it a notch higher? Can we put money together for bigger project, whether it's a business?
Kepha kukhona buhle nebubi kusebenzisa stokvel. Nanoma stokvel tisita ukuthi labo labasemkhathini kwempilo bakhona nokuthuthuka kepha ngakulonye luhlangothi lolubi uma ngabe umuntu umunye ahlule kubhadala kuleyo nyanga lekusho ukuthi leyo account leyo yongena esikweleti noma emabhukwini lamnyama lokungagcina kufaka ligama lalabo labadlala eso stokvel emabhukwini lamnyama.
Stokvel is only as powerful as its weakest member. So you need to make sure that you are contracting with your fellow stokvel members and you trust them and that they have proven via a credit score and a credit check that they know how to handle their money.
Taka unesiphakamiso sekuthi uma lelo qembu lithenga impahla nzawonye noma babonke kumele bahlale babeke imali eceleni njalo kude kuthi igadze lokungahle kwendeka lokho kungasita ukuthi kuvale lapho kusuke konakele khona.
Umbukelo uphawulile ngetitokfela.
Malunga estokfela kufuna zama ukuthi mayo esehlukanisa imali yabo bengene ngaphakathi ebank beyihlukanisele khona. Uthi abayeke lento yokuthi uma bebeka imali behambe bememezela nanokuthi ke soyikhipha ke namhlanje ngoba ikona lokho kugcina kusondeza igebengu eduzane kwabo.
Ukwabalana kwemali kulonyaka kube nomthelela omubi kakhulu ngoba abanye bayimphangi mathuba badla imali.
Asingakathi bontishiwe letfana leminyaka lendlule kepha kwanyalo ngibabonile abantu bathovela amabhare bathokotile bajabulile. Tinkinga ngathi tisengakabi khona singathi ukuthi kumbe tisetawuba khona kepha kulesingakufisi lo kwanyalo kusesekudle ngosami ngathi kungachubeka kunjalo.
Njengoko unyaka uphelile kuqala ukubiwa imali akukho siganeko ndisivileyo apha eNtshona Koloni sokuthi kuphangwe kurojwe abantu bezitokfela.
Lapho ngikhona msakazi ikonakele kakhulu yabo nje zonke izimali bebeziqokelela kule tokfela lezi abantu bayidle bayiqeda lezo zimali since kune COVID-19 abantu abasebenzi labo baqokelela izimali nabafisa ukudla lezi mali hayi ngicabanga ukuthi akhambanga kahle.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ethe yethweswa ukuthi iphendulela ngawo. Mengameli wase-Ukraine Vladimir Zelensky utshele iCongress ukuthi letigidzi lebanikwe tona iMelika kude kuthi balwe lembi lesemkhathini kwabo neRussia akusiyo nje imali yesipho kepha kukutshala timali kude kuvikela mhlaba wonke. Zelensky lo yeMelika utshele labo labashicilela umthetho ukuthi uthemba ukuthi batawuchubeka nekusekela lelive lakhe njalo. iMelika inike iUkraine imali lengu 19.3 billion US dollars kude kuthi isitakale ngekuhloma kulembi. Mengameli waseMelika Joe Biden uphinze wamemetela imali lengu 2 billion dollars kusita ngetikhali. Kuvakasha kwa Zelensky kubalulekile njengoba emaCongress aseMelika alungiselela kunika lelive lenye imali leyengetiwe lengu 44.9 billion US dollars lekuthiwa yetikhali nekuthuthukisa umnotfo. Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi liqinile naliqathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Izoqala imidlalo ye-PSL evikini lelitako kulandzela kuphela kwemidlalo yendlebe yemhlaba. Leli khefu liniketa emacembu aku-PSL ithuba lelanele lekutilungiselela kuqala sigaba sesibili sale season. Imidlalo yendlebe yemhlaba lebe ibanjelwe eKhatar iphocelele ukuthi kube nelushintsho emidlalweni ye-PSL kule season. Lokhu kuphocelele ukuthi bonke badlali babuyele etinkanjini tawo ngekushesha kunaphambilini. Nanoma kunjalo kubonakala kwangathi kude umehluko longahle ube khona emacenjini kulungiselela lemidlalo. Dikucala phata lomuhla asiphindze futhi sihlangane ngalokutako ungaphuthelwa tindzaba tesiSwati kusasa ngesikhathi lesifanako ku SABC 1.